Hey, it's Lynn, formerly from the Stitch TV show. Well, we took a break and ended the show, and honestly, I think I was kind of a little lost for a while. So I just put my head down and started sewing a ton. And if you followed me on Instagram, you'll see a lot of stuff that I was working on. And this year started, and I thought, I really miss it. I miss y'all. I miss talking to you. I miss interacting with you. And I wanted to do some more stuff. So if you're interested and if you want to check out what I'm doing in classes that I develop or um, getting together and sewing together again, let's do that. So I'm going to be on Cotton Art Studio, and you can find that link either in the description or the bio, depending on where you're watching this. And let's sew together again. So I'll see you over there on Cotton Art, and we will explore things together. I'm really interested in color, so we're probably going to talk about that. I want to do a block of the month. I've got classes that I'm working on, and let's just talk about quilting again. I mean, don't you miss it? I just want to talk about quilting again. So check it out, and if you're interested, then join us over there. Thanks.